Hello friends, here is Alex. Today we are discussing some tips about replacing the prick needle of tvm802b machine. The spare needle original length is standard. After you get it, you need to polish the length to match your machine by a grinding wheel or an abrader. Need to avoid burrs, otherwise it may jam. You should follow the direction prompts marked in the picture. You need to remove the cover first. Unscrew these two screws to take off the electromagnetic module. Then you can replace the needle. Now what we are doing is the installation process after the replacement. Please don't forget to plug in the socket. After installing the needle, manually push the placement head. Here you can change your eyes point view. Keep the top of the needle will not touch any screws. Please click the subscribe button to follow videos update. More details you can also visit our official website. Follow us. We'll stay updated via social media. Thanks for watching this video. We look forward to your more attention and contact.